Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning with Dr. Shabnam Guru. Today I am here with the instruction issued by Savitribai Phule Pune University for TY/BCom students, both for mock test and final exam. So university has scheduled the mock test on 8th October any time between 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. and from 9th October to 11th October any time between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Here we have to note that the login ID and password will be remain same for the mock test and final exam, which will be shared by university on their email and SMS. And you can't change this login ID and password for both the exam. So let's take the assessment. So for giving your mock test, you have to open the URL. Then you must be logged in through your ID and password. Click on the continue and read the instructions carefully. Click on the start button to start the test. Start attempting all the questions. Once you have answered all the questions, click on the end test button to submit your test. You can download this app in your mobile phone also with the link provided. So please note that you can use the laptop desktop with Windows 7 and above are preferred. Student using laptop with Mac OS should open test in Safari browser. For candidate taking test on mobile should use Chrome browser on Android phone but Safari browser on iPhone. So we have to make sure which kind of device you are using. Mobile application only works for Android mobile. Make sure laptop mobile is fully charged before appearing for the examination. All questions are multiple choice question having correct options and each question carry 1 marks. Test duration is of 60 minutes. Specially able students are allowed 20 minutes more for examination attempt. Any 50 question. Maximum marks for exam is 50. You can use calculators also. Please make sure the final submission only after completing the examination. You will ask to confirm in case of accidentally trying submitted the examination before the completion of the duration. Please note that once you make the final submission, you will not be able to take the examination again. In case of complete internet failure, submission will not be possible and the test will be rescheduled. In case of temporary internet outage, please wait for some time and try to submit the paper. If internet speed is reasonably slow, images and tables in the question may take little longer to appear. In case if you are facing any technical issue during the exam, please reach out the below VBox support team as SPPU support team. You can have the number 9717779697. I just want to tell you, my dear student, make sure which device you are using for your final examination. In mock test, just try to check which device will work properly for you, whether mobile is working properly for you or whether desktop is properly working for you, and you have to use the same device for your final examination also. And one more thing, the user ID and password will be remain same for both the test. Hope this video will be very useful for you. If you are new at my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notification. Thank you so much.